So without wasting time, let's come to our topic. In this video, we will learn arithmetic operators in MSW Logo. To perform arithmetic operations on Logo application, there is a list of commands you can use like sum, difference, product, quotient. First, we will use sum command. Sum command is used to add two or more than two numbers. So to add numbers, here you will give command sum and the number you want to add. Suppose I want to add 65. So, but before giving command, you have to type print command, because print command is only will tell the compiler where you want to see the result, and print command will print the result in commander window. So result is 11. In case if you want to add more than two numbers, then there is a different syntax to add more than two numbers. And what is that? See, first you will give print. You can use show also. Print and show both will do the same thing. It will print the result on commander window. So here I'm using print, and then you will put this round bracket, and command will go in these parentheses only. 34, 78, 9 and suppose 45. So it will add these 4 digits and print the result on commander window 166. If you will not give parentheses, then it will print wrong result. If you want to check, give command print sum, and you can give any 4 digits. Suppose I'm giving 5678. 5678. See what result it will print. 7. So the result is wrong, because addition of 5678 will not be 7. So if you want to add more digit, then you have to put the parenthesis, and the command will goes on that parenthesis only. Understood? Move to the next command. Next command is difference. So difference is used to subtract one number from another number. So difference, what number you want to subtract? Suppose I want to subtract 3 from 56. So you will give difference. Here you have to give command show or print. Suppose here I've given show difference 56 and 3. It will subtract 3 from 56 and print the result on commander window 53. Instead of writing the spelling, just you can use symbol also. Show 56 minus 8. See, show also you can use, or you can use syntax also, symbols also. Now the next command is product. Product 7 6. Product command is used to multiply two or more numbers. So product 7 6, it will print result 42, because 7 multiplied by 6 is equal to 42. Now the next command is quotient. Quotient 50 and 10, and will print result. Here I'm giving command label. Label command will print result on main screen, not in commander window. See, it depends on you where you want to see the result. If you want to see result on main screen, then you will use label command, and if you want to see result on commander window, then you will use print, either print or show command. So label quotient 50 space 10, and then you will see result on main screen. See, the result is 5. Now the next command is remainder command. Remainder command will give the remainder 22. Sorry, here space will be there. So print remainder 20 space 2. It will divide 20 from 2 and will give the result 0. Why? Because if you will divide 20 from 2, then it will give the result 0. So it's correct.